Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to send a gift from Amazon to another country. Now, if you have an Amazon account and you want to send it to a different country, it's quite simple. Just choose the gift that you want to send to another country and make sure it has international shipping and make sure that it can be shipped to that specific country. After that, just go through the same process as everybody else when it comes to checking out. The only difference is that when you are here, you can choose gift options. So make sure you can choose this gift option. So you need to take on this item is a gift. So whatever it is that you're sending to your friend is this needs to be ticked. This item is a gift. Make sure the check is clicked, and make sure that the shipping address is to that country, and it is available for Amazon to ship to that country, and the product that you are giving or that you are giving to your friend as a gift is available to be shipped there. So those are the only things you can do. And yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.